Hello fan collectors, Braxton the Vintage Fan Man here. So what we got here today is a tatung spinner. I have never seen one of these before. I got this one from Jeff Doctor at Fanimation. And I I totally forgot I never made a video of this. So here's a throwback at least. It's a part of the backlog at least. So variable speed by that knob, and as you may notice, no reverse switch, as you can see. So the pull fob I added, it did not have one when I got it, had that stringamabob thing. So yeah, let's go and put this on low. It's set on the lowest setting it will start from. See if it'll keep going. Quarter turn. The variable speed the variable speed is kind of messed up on it, but yeah, because it has a trim in there and it's hard to adjust. So considering it keeps moving to the side, so I guess it's stuck like this. Because there's like a full range with the okay, let's give it another quarter turn. I think it's flying already. There's high right there. Thing flies on high. It's fast. But anyways, with the variable speed knob, it doesn't like it. It works, but it's a lot. And also, sorry, I forgot to mention this from the beginning of the video, but sorry that I've not been posting lately. I've just been super busy, and I've just been kind of lazy at the same time, so been busy and lazy. So, busy with school and just been super lazy. So, yeah. Decent ear mover, if you ask me. And spin down. Definitely a good air mover, though. It's in the same room as the Delta 2. A sneak peek, by the way, of the next display video. So, I also have something similar to this, but it's you'll see it in the next video. I'll make a video of that after this. So yeah. Get some of my drink real quick. As you may notice, I moved that clock. Reason being is because of how close to the wall this is. So I moved it over there, right behind that light. Because I think it makes a lot of sense being like that. Sit down in the chair. Sorry about that. It's my voice that's going out. That's my mom coughing. I think the bearings are decent. Like, actually decent. Another sneak peek, the pedal right there. That's actually on low, believe it or not. Not even on its control, it's actually its capacitor value. So, which I'll get into more detail when I make a remake video of it, as to why that is. So, gee, this tatung has quite good bearings for sure. The notifications. Alright, it's coming to a stop. Well, okay. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, have a great day, folks, and peace.